engineering looks like. That's what we have our people spread across doing. Any questions on any of that? Let's go to the next page before we do that. Okay. And here, this is just, I put some pictures together to give you an idea of some of the things that we do, because talking about them a lot of times doesn't really give you an idea. This is the rocket. That's our Space Launch System rocket. It's going to go through different variations, but that's what it's going to look like when we first fly it. As we make more of them, they're going to get a little bit bigger, and they'll carry a bigger payload, and they'll be able to eventually get people to Mars. That's one of the big benefits of this kind of a vehicle. Top left, that's an avionics mock-up of the avionics that are going to go inside that rocket. You see, let's see, next to that on the left, that is one of the domes in our facility down in Michoud. That's South Louisiana, where we're actually making and putting together all this hardware. So that dome shape is actually going to be sitting inside here in 4 different spots. And you'll see this tool. I've mentioned to you they make carbon fiber. So that's the tool they make it with. When I first saw that, I thought, what on earth? And so I went out to the lab and looked at it. It's like one of your giant sewing machines that have got all of these little serger strings on it, and it ties them together and lays them out, and it makes carbon fibers. Pretty neat. This is additive hardware that we made, and y'all are probably pretty familiar with that type of thing. Here's a subscale test. I know the ones in the back can't see it, but we do a lot of environmental type tests. So you can't test it with a full-size rocket. You just can't afford it. So what you do is you get a smaller one, and you scale all of your environments around it, and you measure them, and that will let you know what your big deal is. So you can do it for cheaper. This is one of our big solid rockets. That's tested up in Utah, and right now it's running about that. With that one operates about 3.5 million pounds. It's just huge, just nothing like it anywhere else in the world. This is, I think that this is the urine processor rack that we talked about. And these are different test areas right up here, next to the top of the rocket on the right side. That is an additive engine that we made. So y'all have made additive to, I don't know, this size. This is a full-size engine that we feel like is going to be the precursor of the next types of engines that we fly. So you can actually make an engine out of one of these machines, and you don't have to go to all of these different machine shops to get it made. Pretty awesome. Okay, any questions on any of that?